Hello kids! And today we're gonna solve the cow puzzle! And after the cow puzzle, we're gonna solve the deer baby puzzle. Let's start! Okay, so right now we have different puzzle pieces and we have cubes, right? So what we need to do? We need to find the cow, right? So the first step would be to make all these cubes in one line like this. And then what we're gonna do, we're gonna rotate them one by one, okay? And we're gonna try to find the cow. Okay, so the first step would be to take this cube and next what we're gonna do, we're gonna rotate like this. And let's see if we can see the cow, right? So let's rotate. Can you see the cow? At the moment, no. So if we can find the cow, then what we should do, we should move it away. So then let's take the next one. And again, let's rotate, right? Let's push the cube till we see the cow, right? Or maybe the part of the cow. Let's rotate this side. No, there is no cow. Okay, let's move it away. Then let's take another one. And let's do again. Rotate and see if there is the cow. Right? Rotate this side. If there is the cow. No. Okay, let's move it aside. Then take another one. And let's rotate this and see. Then this side. If there is the cow. Oh, there is the cow, the first puzzle. Amazing, congratulations, we found our first puzzle with a cow. So once we found the first puzzle, we're gonna place this puzzle here, right? So it would be our first one. So then let's take another one and rotate and see if there is the cow, right? So let's look for the cow. Can you see the cow? If you see the cow, then let me know. This cube doesn't have any cow parts. So let's take another one and rotate. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then another side. 1. This seems to be like a cow tail. What do you think? So let's look at our first puzzle that we found. This one, and let's look at this one. This seems to be a cow? Yes. So we found our first puzzle and then we found our second. So what we can do, we can combine them together like this. So let's do it. And yes. So we've combined two puzzle pieces. Okay, let's continue with our search and let's take another puzzle piece and rotate. This. And if you see the cow, then please let me know. Please let me know and I'm gonna stop. Should I stop? Okay, so here we have the hand and the cow leg, right? And the cow nose. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna place this here at the moment. And then let's keep searching. So the next one, let's rotate and see if there is the cow. So we rotate this side and then what we're gonna do, we're gonna rotate this side. Can you see the cow? No. Okay, let's move it aside and then let's take another one like this. And then, as you know, we need to look for the cow. Can you see the maybe face of the cow or eyes of the cow, right? Is this a cow? Is this a cow? Yes, correct. So we found another puzzle piece for the cow. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna take this puzzle piece and we're gonna move like this. And great! We combined 3 puzzle pieces and this is another one. So let's move together like this. Great! We've combined 4 puzzle pieces. So we almost finished the cow puzzle. But let's continue with searching the cow puzzle pieces. So let's rotate and see if there is the cow. I don't see any cow. Okay, let's rotate down. If there is the cow. Is this a cow? No, this is the zebra. It's a different animal and it's a wild animal, right? So the cow is, which animal is the cow? The cow is farm animal, correct. Okay, let's keep going. So let's look for the cow. Let's rotate, then go down like this. No, there is no any cow here. Okay, let's take another one and rotate. And okay, who is that? Is that the cow? A leg of the cow? Yes, seems to me it is. So let's take this and let's move maybe to this one side. But if you look closely, it doesn't work here. So what we need to move this puzzle piece right here, right? So we need to find the middle part. Okay, great. So let's keep searching the cow puzzle. So let's take this one and rotate like this. Okay, here is the cow. Look, and this puzzle piece is in the middle. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna place this right in the middle, like this. Great. So we found already the cow, but we still need to find the top part, right? So let's keep going. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna take this puzzle piece and we're gonna rotate and see if there is the cow. No, it doesn't seem to me that there is the cow, but let's keep rotating and see. No, let's take another one and let's rotate. And if there is the cow, or maybe some kind of part of the cow, right, that we need to find. Let's rotate. No, I don't see. Okay, so let's move it away and take another one and rotate like this. Okay, here is maybe the zebra, right? But we need a cow. Cow is the farm animal, right? Okay, so we're gonna move it away, then take another one. Okay, and then rotate. And if there is the cow, let's look for the cow. No, there is no cow. Okay, so let's move it away. And then another one, the last one. So let's rotate and see if there is the cow. No, there is no cow. Okay, so these puzzle pieces that didn't contain the cow, but what we need to find is the top part of the cow. So we need to find the horns, right? And here is also like a butterfly, the white butterfly. So what we're gonna focus on gonna be the horns, right? So let's try this puzzle piece and then let's rotate this way and then look for the horns of the cow. This seems to me like a horns of the cow and the part of the butterfly. So let's take this and place it like this. Great. So let's keep going. So we need to find the white butterfly. Okay, so what we should do, we should take these pieces and then maybe which one should we take to find the butterfly? Maybe this one. Let's do it. Let's rotate and do you think that this is from our cow? What do you think? Should we try to move this right here? Let's try and yes! Great! Well done! So the last thing that we need to find, I think it's gonna be the tree here, right? Or leaves. So maybe let's do it. So what we should do? Maybe this one could work. Let's try. We always should try, right? It doesn't work well, so this is a different puzzle piece. So what we should do, we should look for the tree, right? And when we see the tree, we should try it. This is also tree, so maybe we should try it. And no, it doesn't work. So when it doesn't work, what we should do, we should place this puzzle piece away. And then we also already tried this one, right? So when we tried, then we're gonna move this away. So the next one, okay, maybe this one. Let's try and see. Let's try and rotate and see if there is some kind of cow or the tree, right? Maybe this one. So this is the ear of the cow. So if you look at this cow, you see it has the yellow ear, right? And here is also yellow ear. So what we should do, we should move it like that. Great. Oh, well done. We've completed the cow puzzle. Amazing. So we found the cow. So here is the cow. Here is the butterfly. Here is the sun. Here we have the tree and the leaves. Here is our bird. And here are two ants. 1 and 2. Amazing. Well done. Let's continue with the next puzzle. So let's continue with solving the deer puzzle, the baby deer. So the first thing, as always, we should take our puzzle, place it like this, and then we should rotate with our finger. Okay, so let's do it and let's try to see if there is the deer, right? This seems to me like an ear of the deer. So when we found something from the deer, then we're gonna place it here and we're gonna leave it. And then we're gonna take another piece, right? And then we're gonna rotate and see if there is the deer, right? This is the tiger. Who is that? What do you think? Is this a deer that we need? Yes, great. Let's take our puzzle piece and place it like that. And then let's continue with the next one. So, and let's rotate and see if there is the deer, right? Let's rotate on other side like this. And this seems to me like a part of the deer. What do you think? Should we take this puzzle piece to our board? Yes, let's do it. And great. Let's take another one, this one. And let's move it and rotate. No, this might be the monkey, right? But we need a deer, right? So if there is the deer, let's rotate different side. This seems to me like a deer with the flowers on the body. That's what we need. So let's move this puzzle piece to other ones. Great. So let's take another puzzle piece, right? And let's rotate and see if there is the deer, right? So when I'm rotating, you just let me know if I should stop. Okay, so who we have here? Here we have the part of the deer, right? The orange, the tail. Let's move this here. Great. Let's continue and try to find those parts. Let's rotate and see if we can find the deer part that we need for our puzzle. This seems to me like also that what we need, right? Maybe this is the part of the ear of the deer. Okay, let's move it. Then the next one. Let's rotate and see. And we also always should look at the image itself in the left corner, right? So in the left corner, you can see our deer, and you will see that we just need to complete this puzzle by finding the right piece. So let's move it. Can you see the deer or maybe some kind of part of the deer? I don't see right now. So when we can't find, then we just move it away and then we get back to it later. So let's take this puzzle piece and can we see the deer? I don't see the deer, but let's try again. This butterfly could be from our puzzle. Okay, that's what we need. So let's take the last one and then rotate this side, then that side, and this side. Where's the deer? Is this a deer with the eye closed? Yes, this is what we need. Okay, let's take our puzzle piece here. Okay, so what we're gonna do now, we're gonna try to take the face, place it, and then we have the eye here. So maybe that's not the eye, this is the eyebrows, right? So on top of the eye, like this. Great, well done. So then we should take the ear of the deer and try to connect together like this. Great. So we need another part of the ear. So maybe if we're gonna take this puzzle piece and move it, and yes, great, we completed the face of the deer. So let's work on the body. Let's take this puzzle piece and move it and connect. Great, well done. So we need the tail, right? So here is the another part of the body. So let's move it and combine. Amazing. And there is another one with the tail, right? So here comes our tail. And yes, it worked pretty well. So what we need right now is this part and this one. So here we have the mighty butterfly and the tree. And well done. And here is another part with the tree, right? So here is our tree and the bird. So let's move it together, and great! We've completed the deer puzzle. So we found the deer. Here's the flowers on the body. Here are the two birds. One, the yellow bird, and two, the pink bird. And we also have the butterfly. And on this puzzle, we have 3 trees. So 1, 2, and 3. Amazing! Well done! We've completed 2 puzzles. The deer and the hedgehog. See you in the next video. Hello kids, and today we're gonna solve the ostrich puzzle. Let's start. And look who we have. We have the Mr. Pig who's gonna help us. Okay, so the first thing that we're gonna do, what we're gonna do, Mr. Pig? Yes, we're gonna turn around these puzzle pieces and try to find the ostrich. So let's do our first cube. Okay, so let's turn around and Mr. Pig gonna help us. Let's turn around and can you see the... Oh, okay, here is the leg of the ostrich. Okay, we found the first one. And let's continue with the next one. And let's try to look for the ostrich. And who is that? Yes, that's the ostrich. Great, we found another puzzle. And Mr. Pig gonna help us to find the puzzle number 3. Okay, which one should we take, Mr. Pig? This one. Great. And let's rotate and see if there is the ostrich. And here it is. Great. We found another puzzle piece of the ostrich. Great. So then let's take this puzzle piece, right, Mr. Pig? Yes, and then let's rotate. Where could be the ostrich? Can you see the ostrich? Please let me know if you see the ostrich. Yes, this is the ostrich. Great. Let's continue by searching the ostrich. Let's take this puzzle piece and rotate and see if there is the ostrich. Let's look closely. Let's ask Mr. Pig if this image belongs to ostrich. Yes, it belongs. So we're gonna take to our puzzle board and let's take the next one and rotate and see if there is the maybe some kind of wings or something, the part of the ostrich. And let's turn around and yes, here it is, you see the feathers of the ostrich. Great. We only left with 3 puzzles. So let's turn around and see. I think it's this one. What do you think? Should we take this, Mr. Pig? Yes, we should take this to our puzzle board. Great. And let's take the next one and rotate and see if there is the feathers of the ostrich. Or maybe the leg or maybe the face. Something that we can take to our puzzle board. It seems that this is from the ostrich puzzle. What do you think, Mr. Pig? And Mr. Pig examining the puzzle. Yes, this is from the ostrich puzzle. Great. And we have the last one. And let's rotate and see if there is some kind of image of the ostrich, right? What do you think, Mr. Pig? Is this one? Yes. So we found all our puzzles for the ostrich. But what should we do next, Mr. Pig? The next thing that we should do, we should start with the face. So with this one, right? We're gonna start with this one and we're gonna try to find other piece. So it's gonna be this and we should combine them together. And then we have also the legs, right? So what we're gonna do, we're gonna combine them together like this. Okay. And next one. Okay, we found 3. Great. So here we need like a body of the ostrich. So let's take maybe this one. Does it work? Maybe let's rotate. Maybe like this. Great. And then we need the neck of the ostrich. So it could be like this. And then we can connect our head to the body. Great. And we are left with 2 puzzle pieces. Okay, so we have this one and this one. Great. We've completed the ostrich puzzle. See you in the next video. Hello kids, and today we're gonna solve the snake puzzle. And look how happy Snake is. Let's mix these puzzle pieces. And what we're gonna do first, the first thing that we're gonna do, we're gonna rotate each puzzle piece and try to find the part of the snake. So here you see there is the part of the snake, right? And when we found this, then we're gonna place it right here. Okay, so let's do with the next one. So let's rotate and turn around and see if there is some kind of part of the snake. Is this a part of the snake? What do you think? Yes, okay, let's take this. We're gonna take this here, then take another one and rotate and see if there is any part of the snake that we can take. So we're gonna rotate slowly. This seems to me like a part of the snake. Let's ask Mr. Pig. Mr. Pig, what do you think? Yes. So we're gonna take this to our puzzle board. And then the next one. Okay, let's try to see if there is any part of the snake. And if you see the part of the snake, then let me know. Just say, I see it. Is this a snake? Yes, it's a snake. Let's take here. Then another one. Let's rotate and see if there is the snake. Can you spot the snake? Where is the snake? Yes, here is the snake. Great. So let's take that. Amazing. And then another one. Let's rotate and see if there is the blue color. Blue color. Is this a blue color to you? What do you think? Yes, let's take this one and place it here. We only left with 3 ones. So let's take another one and rotate. And if you see the blue color or snake, then let me know. Okay? If you see, then let me know. If this is snake, yes, it's another part of the snake. And here we have 2 left. So let's rotate and see if there is the snake. Is this a snake part? Yes, it's a snake part. Great. And the last one. we're just gonna rotate slowly. And when you see any part of the snake, maybe blue color, maybe face or something, then let me know, okay? This doesn't seem to have any snake part, but this one, if we look at this tree, it seems to be from this part. Let's try. Yes. So we're gonna take this puzzle to all our puzzle pieces. Okay, so right now we have puzzles. And if you look closely, then every puzzle piece has the blue color, right? So we're gonna start with the face of the snake. So here is this face, the eyes, and the mouth. So here is the neck of the face, you see? Okay, so let's continue. So let's take the bottom part and combine like this. So we just combined 3 puzzle pieces, right? So we need to find the puzzle pieces on this side and on this side. So we also have the trees. Here is the trees, right? So let's try to take this part of the tree and combine with this one, like this, and great. Okay, and then take these 2 parts and try to move it to the left side. Well done! And let's do the same with 2 other parts of the trees. Here is the part of the tree, and here is another part. So let's combine them together. Yes, well done! And then let's take them here and move to the right. Great! Amazing! And then we have the left part and the right part. So we're gonna place the left part here and the right part down here. Great, we've completed the snake puzzle. See you in the next video. Hello kids, and today we're gonna play the puzzle and we're gonna try to solve it. And look who we have. We have Mr. Pig that's gonna help us to solve this kangaroo puzzle. So let's start. First thing that we're gonna do, we're gonna mix those puzzles, right? So we have this. Okay, so to complete this puzzle, first thing that we need to take the cube, let's say this one, and we need to rotate till we see that maybe the leg of kangaroo, maybe the face of kangaroo, right? So some kind of the part of the kangaroo. So for example, this one. Here we have the foot of the kangaroo. Great. So let's take the next one. Okay, and let's rotate and see what we have here. Right? So let's look for that. And we have here the belly of the kangaroo. Great. So we are not gonna try right now to combine those puzzles together. We're just gonna try to find them. So this is the first that we found. So let's go with the next one. Okay, so is this a kangaroo? What do you think? I think no. Is this a kangaroo? No. Mr. Pig, what do you think? Is this maybe the part of the kangaroo that we need? Yes. Great, so let's take this puzzle piece and let's move it right here on the side, and let's continue with the next one. And let's rotate these puzzle pieces and see if we can find the kangaroo. And if we can't find the kangaroo, then we're gonna ask the Mr. Pig to help us. This seems to be pretty difficult to find. Where's the kangaroo? Maybe this is the part of the kangaroo puzzle. What do you think, Mr. Pig? Yes, great. Let's take this. And next one, Mr. Pig gonna help us. Okay. Which one? This one, Mr. Pig? Yes, we found another one puzzle piece. Amazing. So we already found 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Great. And let's take the next one. And what we have here? Let's try to find the kangaroo. Okay, this is the baby kangaroo, right? So it goes to our puzzle pile. and we only left with 3 ones that we need to examine. So we need to rotate them and see if there is the kangaroo. Who is that? Is this a kangaroo mama? Yes, this is kangaroo mama, correct. Great. And let's take the next one and see. Is this a ear of the kangaroo mama? What do you think, guys? Yes, right. Let's take this to our puzzles. And we have the last one. And Mr. Pig, what do you think of the last one? Where is the kangaroo puzzle? This one, great. So we're gonna take this one to our puzzle board. And what we have here is the puzzle pieces of the kangaroo. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna start with the face, right? So the next one we're gonna see, there is the neck, right? So we need to connect face with the neck. So let's do it. Great, we just connected 2 puzzle pieces. And after this, we have the ear. And here we have the ear, right? So what we're gonna do, we're gonna take this together and connect like this. Amazing. And then let's take the next one. Which one we should take? I think it could be this one. So here's the baby kangaroo and here's the belly, right? It's called like a pocket. Great. And what we can do next is the legs, the foot, right? So we have the left foot and the right foot. So let's combine like this. Amazing. And the next one, again, I think it's a leg. Yes, and here is the tree house. And here is the bird, and I think it's from the tree house. Let's try it. Yes, amazing. And we have the last one. And where do you think we should place the last one? Yes, exactly. We should place the last one right here. So here we have the tail of the kangaroo. And here's the left leg, left foot, and right leg. Here is the baby kangaroo, the mama kangaroo, the bird, and the house of the kangaroos. Great, well done. See you in the next video. Today we're gonna learn about the numbers, and we also have the chicken, and we have the Mr. Pig. As always, Mr. Pig is helping us to solve the puzzles and learn about the numbers. Yes, Mr. Pig? Yes, great. Okay, so let's start. Okay, here we have the numbers, and Mr. Pig gonna help us to find our first number. So the first number that we're gonna find gonna be the number 1. And where is the number 1, Mr. Pig? Mr. Pig is searching. Okay. Here is the number 1. Thank you, Mr. Pig. Thank you very much. And it's a red color, number 1. So we have this board where we need to place the numbers. And this number we need to place at this space, right? So let's count. 1, right? And this is number 1. Okay, let's place it on the board. Great. Then let's try to find the next number. And the next number gonna be the number 2. Okay, where is the number 2, Mr. Pig? Where is the number 2? Number 2. Here is the number 2. Thank you, Mr. Pig. Okay, let's take this number 2 and let's place it on our board. So let's count. 1, 2. Great. Good job. So let's place our number. Well done. Okay, let's continue with the next one. So again, Mr. Pig is helping us. Mr. Pig is searching for the number 3. Where is the number 3, Mr. Pig? Where is the number 3? Here is the number 3. Great. Let's take this number and place on our board. So let's count. 1, 2, and 3. Great. So let's take this and place it. Well done. Thank you, Mr. Pig. Okay, so the next one we need to find is number 4. Mr. Pig, where is number 4? Here is the number 4. Thank you, Mr. Pig. Thank you very much. So let's place the number 4 on our board. 1, 2, 3, 4. Great. Well done. Okay, Mr. Pig gonna help us with the next one, with number 5. Mr. Pig, where is the number 5? Here is the number 5. Great. Amazing. So let's take the number 5 and place on our board. Okay, here is the number 5. Let's count together with Mr. Pig. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, let's place the number 5 here. Well done. Let's continue. So the next one gonna be the number 6. Hey, Mr. Pig, where is the number 6? Number 6. Is this a number 6? No, Mr. Pig is saying no. This is number 9. But where is number 6? Here is number 6. Thank you, Mr. Pig. Okay, Mr. Pig is helping us. So we have number 6. So let's count together with Mr. Pig. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, let's take this number and place on number board. Great, well done. Okay, so the next one gonna be the wheels. So let's take the wheels, and here we have them, right? So we have a lot of wheels here, but to take these wheels, we need to find all the numbers first. Okay, so the next number gonna be the number 7. Here is number 7. Thank you, Mr. Pig. So let's take the number 7, and where we should place the number 7. Can you see this, the place? The number 7, where? Yes, it should go here, but let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Great, well done. Okay, so the next one gonna be the number 8. Okay, Mr. Pig, where's the number 8? Number 8. Okay, here is the number 8. Okay, so let's take the number 8 and place here. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Well done. Thank you, Mr. Pig. So the next number that we have is number 9. Mr. Pig, where is the number 9? Mr. Pig is searching for the number 9. Is this a number 9? No, this is number 10. So here we have the number 9. Well done. So let's take the number 9 and let's look at our number board. So here is the place for number 9. So before we're gonna place this into that shape, we need to count the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Great, well done. Okay, so we have the last number. Mr. Pig, where is the last number? Here is our last number, so Mr. Pig gonna help us. Thank you, Mr. Pig. So let's, okay, and here we have the number 10, right? So here is the place for number 10, but we need to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Well done. We found all the numbers, but where we should place all of these wheels? So we have a lot of wheels here. So we have also the colorful wheels. So let's try to find for the number 1. It's red color. So Mr. Pig gonna help us to find the color. So Mr. Pig is searching. Where is the red? Red. Okay, here is the red. Here is wheel. and let's count. And 1. Great, we've completed our first number. Well done, congratulations. Okay, so let's continue with the next one. So here we have wheels, so we need 2 wheels, orange, right? So this is orange, right, Mr. Pig? Yes. And if you look at the number 2, it's an orange color, and we have 2 orange wheels. So let's count. 1 and 2. Well done. Let's search for the next wheels. And the next wheels, we need yellow color. Can you see the yellow color wheels? Can you see them? Mr. Pig, here is one, and Mr. Pig is bringing us the third one. We have 3 yellow wheels. So let's take them like this. And which number has the yellow color? This one, this, or this one? Yellow color is this one. Thank you, Mr. Pig. Is the number 3. So let's have our yellow colors, and 1, 2, 3. Well done. Thank you, Mr. Pig. So the next one is number 4, green color. So let's look at our wheels. We need a green color wheels. So can you see the green color wheels? Mr. Pig, can you see them too? Here is the 1, here is the 2, here is the 3, and here is the 4. So let's take them like this, and let's place them on a board. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, and the last one, 4. Well done. So the next number is number 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And it's a blue color number. So we need to find the blue color wheels. So where is the blue color wheels? Can you see them? Here is the blue color, right? So 1, 2, 3, and 4. And the last one is, you know it? It is 5. Great. So let's take 5 wheels and let's place them and count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Great job. So the next one color is pink. This is the pink color. And it's number 6, right, Mr. Pig? Like Mr. Pig. Mr. Pig is the pink color. Great. Okay, so let's find with Mr. Pig the pink color. So you can see there is pink color, this one, right? So let's find 1, 2, and then Mr. Pig gonna help us. 3, then another one, 4, 5, and 6. Great. So let's put them on the pole. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And the last one is, what do you think, Mr. Pig? It is 6. Great. Amazing. So the next one we need to find gonna be the orange color, number 7. Okay, Mr. Pig, where is the orange color? Here is the orange color, right? So this is the orange color. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the last one is 7. Thank you, Mr. Pig. So let's take the 7 wheels and count together again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Well done. So here we have other wheels, right? So the next one is blue color, light blue. So it's a light blue, right? So we have the blue color, but this one is light blue. Okay, so Mr. Pig, where's the light blue color? Mr. Pig. Okay, so here's the light blue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Great. So let's place them next to the 8. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and the last one, 8. Great. And let's work on the number 9, and it's a light pink color. So here we had the pink color, right? And this one is light pink color, right, Mr. Pig? You see? Mr. Pig is light pink. Great. Okay, let's go through. Here is the light pink, right? So let's count. We need 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Great. So let's take them and place on the board. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the last one, 9. Well done. Okay, so the last one is Mr. Pig is getting really excited because we have the last number. Okay, so the last one is violet color. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Great. So we have 10 wheels. So let's count them. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and the last one, 10. Well done. Okay, Mr. Pig, we've completed this number puzzle, and Mr. Pig is saying yes. Great. Let's continue with our chicken puzzle. So here we have the chicken, right? So to solve this puzzle, we need to do this, and then we're gonna start to solve it. So we need to mix, right? Like this. And Mr. Pig always gonna help us to find the right puzzle piece. Okay, so let's do it. So first of all, what we need to do, we need to turn around those puzzle pieces. Mr. Pig gonna help us. So let's try to find something that's related to the chicken. So here is the X, right? So we're gonna place it here. So then let's turn around and see if there is other part of the puzzle that we need, right? So here's again X. Thank you, Mr. Pig. So we found 2 puzzles pieces. So the next one, Mr. Pig gonna help us. So we need to turn around them and see if there is maybe chicken or maybe egg or maybe some kind of part, right? So it could be this one, right? You see, with the small chip. Okay, let's take this, place on our board. Yes, and Mr. Pig is helping us, so we're gonna complete this puzzle with the help of Mr. Pig, right? So the next one, it could be Mr. Pig, what do you think? This one. Okay, let's take this one. We're gonna take this one and place it here. Okay, so the next one, Mr. Pig is saying that it might be that with chickens, right? With chicks. Great, let's take it, place on our board. And the next one, let's see if there is the chicken or, right? Mr. Pig, what do you think? Where's the right puzzle piece that we need? Let's see. Mr. Pig doesn't know, but Mr. Pig is saying that we should try to take maybe this one, right? Could say that we could try this one. Okay, let's take this and we're gonna place it here. And then the next one, let's take the next one. So we have this one and let's turn around ourselves. So what do you think? Yes, Mr. Pig is saying this one. Okay, great. And then the next one. Which one, Mr. Pig? This one? No. This one? This one. Which one? No. So we're gonna show to Mr. Pig and Mr. Pig gonna help us to identify which one we should take. This one? No. Okay. So it could be that this one. Yes, Mr. Pig is saying this one. Okay, amazing. So then let's take this and let's see if we can find the chicken or maybe the eggs or maybe the chicks, right? What do you think? Mr. Pig is saying that he doesn't know. Okay, let's leave this aside and let's continue with others. So Mr. Pig is saying that this is the right one. Okay, thank you, Mr. Pig. And then let's look at this one. Let's look here and rotate. Mr. Pig, what do you think? Mr. Pig saying that this one could be from the puzzle. Great, well done. So, and then another puzzle piece we have here. And let's rotate and see if there is some kind of chicken or egg or chicks, right, that we can place. Mr. Pig, what do you think? Yeah, this one is actually what we need. Okay, Mr. Pig gonna help us. Great, well done. So the next one, let's again see what we have. Mr. Pig, what do you think? No, not this one, Mr. Pig. This one seems to be a difficult one, so let's leave it. Let's again rotate and see, Mr. Pig. Mr. Pig is saying that this one we actually need. Okay, Mr. Pig, let's place it. And great, well done. Okay, so we found another one. So, and then this one is, right, Mr. Pig? Yes, okay. There is another one. So we found the puzzle pieces and right now we're gonna try to combine them. We have here, so we have here the chicken and we start with face, right? And then with the body. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna try to combine it and then see that you always try to combine them together, right? Like this, you see, so we found two puzzle pieces and then we combine them like that. Great. Okay, so here is another one. So maybe it could be this one. Let's combine and great. We found another one. So let's continue. Let's just keep going. So we have the legs of the chicken here. Great. And here is another part, right, with the chicks at the bottom. And here we have the... here is another part, right, Mr. Pig? Okay, Mr. Pig gonna help us to accomplish it. Right here, great. So, and then here is the X, Mr. Pig. What do you think, where we should place? Here? Okay. Mr. Pig, which next one? This one. Okay, let's place it here. Great, so we found another one, and where we should place this one? Here? No, Mr. Pig is saying no. Shouldn't go that way. Okay, let's maybe at the moment leave it like this or change. Let's try differently, right? So we're gonna do this, then move it away, then take another one, right? So we need to find the body of the chicken. And let's rotate and see if there is any piece that would help us to complete this puzzle piece, right? Okay, here is another one. Is this one, right, Mr. Pig? Yes. Okay, we have a chicken. Great. Amazing. Okay, so let's take another one. And Mr. Pig. Yes, well done. So, and then we have, this one. Yes. Great. So we need to find the chicks. You see, here is the chick here, and we need to find it. So let's rotate and see if there is the chick. Could be maybe some kind of yellow, right? Let's see. Maybe this one. No. Let's try this one. Where is the chick? Could be no. This one, right? Doesn't work. Okay, let's try another one. Let's again rotate and see if there is another hint that would help us, right? It could be this one, right? Great. Okay, so we need to, you see here is the X and we need to place them here. So we're gonna take this one, that, and amazing, yes, great. Okay, so then we have the chick here, and I think it could go here. Amazing, you see? We're completing this puzzle piece, so we only need 2 puzzle pieces, right? So here's the chick, and the last one. Okay, Mr. Pig gonna help us with this. Where is the last one, Mr. Pig? And yes, this one. And the last one. Great! We've completed the chicken puzzle. And it wasn't that easy, but we've done it. Well done. So we've completed the chicken puzzle and the numbers with the help of Mr. Pig. Thank you. See you in the next video. Hello kids, and today we're gonna learn about the farm animals. And we have the farm animal board where we have different farm animals. And we also have the rooster and the dog. And Mr. Pig gonna help us to solve all these puzzles. So let's start. Okay, so the first animal that we're gonna pick gonna be, let's see what Mr. Pig gonna choose. Mr. Pig is choosing this one. Okay, so let's turn around, and who we have here? Here we have a rooster. Great. So let's find a place for the rooster. Okay, so maybe it could be here. No, so we need to find the same shape like this in this board, right? So we need somewhere to place it. Maybe let's try here. No, maybe let's try here. Yes, great. We found our first animal. Okay, so the next one, Mr. Pig gonna help us. Okay, it's this one. So let's turn around. And who we have here? It's a goat with a bell, right? So let's see where the goat is going. The goat is trying to find where it can be placed. Okay, the goat. And the goat goes here. Great, we found the second piece. The goat, the animal, the farm animal. Great. So let's look at Mr. Pig, where the Mr. Pig is going. Mr. Pig is saying this one. Okay, let's take this and turn around. And who we have here? Here we have goose. Okay, so you see it's a white and it starts with letter G, goose. Great. So let's try to find the place. So let's see where the goose is going. Right, let's start from here. Here comes the goose. Where the goose is going. And yes, great. We found another place for the goose. Amazing. So let's continue with the next animal. And here is Mr. Pig. And Mr. Pig gonna show us. Mr. Pig is saying this one. Let's take this one and turn around. And who we have here? It's a bunny. Okay, so where are we gonna place the bunny? Look at how small it is. So bunny gonna start from here and here's the place for the bunny. Great. Well done. So let's find the next one animal. And okay, Mr. Pig is saying this one. Okay, who we have here? It's a lamb. And let's look where the lamb is going. So lamb is searching the place. This one, no. Lamb is searching the place. Where it could go. This one, no, maybe. And yes, great, the lamb found her place. Amazing. So let's continue. And Mr. Pig again gonna help us to find the animal. And this one, okay. And who we have here? Let's look closely. Here we have sheep. Great, so where are we gonna place the sheep? The sheep we're gonna place, let's look where the sheep is going. Sheep is trying to search for the place, right? So let's try to help her. It could go here, right? Great, we help the sheep to find her place. And then let's continue with the next one. And Mr. Pig is saying this. Okay, so here we have the bull. Okay, so the bull is going and trying to find the place, right? Where the bull is going. And here is the place for the bull. Amazing. So let's again. Here's Mr. Pig. And Mr. Pig gonna tell us where the next one. This one. Okay, so let's take this one and turn around. And who we have here? It's a duck. So let's look. The duck is going. So the duck trying to find place. And here is the duck play. Great. Well done. Okay, so Mr. Pig again saying that we should take this one. And let's turn around. And who we have here? Do you know who that is? Do you know it? It's a cow. Okay, where we can place the cow? The cow we can place here. Great, another piece that we found. And let's continue. We left with 3 pieces. So, Mr. Pig gonna help us and pick the right piece. This one. Okay, so let's take this one and turn around. Who we have here? Do you know who that is? It's a donkey. So the donkey is trying to find the place. And here it could go. Great, well done. So we found the place for the donkey. And there is 2 others left. So which one should we pick? This one or this one? Let's try to find this one. Okay, let's pick. And who we have here? Do you know who that is? Can you name it? Can you say it loud right now? 1, 2, 3. It's a pig. Okay, let's place the pig. The pig is going here. And great, we found the place for the pig. And here is the last one. Let's turn around. And who that is? You know, it's turkey. Turkey. Okay, the turkey is going to find the place. And let's look where the turkey is going. Okay, turkey is searching for the place where it where your home is. And here's the home for the turkey. Great. Well done. So we found all the farm animals and we also, Mr. Pig helped us. Great. So the next one we have the dog. We have the farm dog. Okay. So what we're gonna do? We're gonna try to solve this puzzle right now. So let's go like this. Okay, great. So let's done it. And let's try to find the puzzle pieces for the dog. Great, and Mr. Pig gonna help us. So the first step that Mr. Pig is saying, we should turn around the cubes like this and try to find the puzzle pieces for the dog. So let's do it. So, and let's ask Mr. Pig for the help. Mr. Pig, is this a dog puzzle piece? What do you think? Yes, so we're gonna place it here. Then, let's take this one. And if we don't know, we can always ask the Mr. Pig. Is this a dog house, Mr. Pig? Is it a dog house? Yes, we're gonna do it here. Okay, then let's take the next one. Maybe this one. Okay, what do we have here? Turn around and see. Mr. Pig, is this the puzzle? Is this the part of the dog? Mr. Pig is saying yes, so let's take it and see. Great. And let's take another one. This one, and turn around and let's see if we can find the dog. Mr. Pig, is this a dog? Mr. Pig is saying yes, this is the dog house and this is the ear of the dog. Yes, so then let's take another one. Maybe this one. So here we have the dog house and the bone and the food for the dog, right? Yes, Mr. Pig is saying. Okay. So the next one, let's take and turn around and see if there is some kind of dog or dog house. Mr. Pig, is this a tail of the dog? What do you think? Mr. Pig is saying yes, this is the tail of the dog. So then let's take the next one. Mr. Pig, what do you think of this one? Is this a face of the dog? Mr. Pig is saying yes. Okay. Let's take another one and rotate. Yes, that's what we need. It's the eyes of the dog. Great. And then the next one. Mr. Pig is saying that this is the flowers from our puzzle, you see? So we're gonna take this. Great, we found another puzzle piece. So let's continue. And turn around. And who is that? Do you know who that is? It's a dog. Okay, let's take to our puzzle. Great, and the next one? Let's turn around. Can we find dog or maybe dog house or maybe some kind of flower? So let's ask Mr. Pig. Mr. Pig, what do you think? Mr. Pig, not sure. Okay, so we're gonna move it away right now. So then let's take another one and rotate and see. Let's see if there is the dog. Mr. Pig, what do you think of this one? Is this might be from our puzzle? Mr. Pig saying that yes, we should try. Okay, we're gonna place it here. And let's take the next one. And turn around. And let's see. Mr. Pig, what do you think? Is there any puzzle piece that we need from the dog? Yes, this is the puzzle piece from the dog. Thank you, Mr. Pig. And then the next one. Let's turn around and see. There is the dog. Interesting. Let's look for it. And we can't find. Okay. Let's move it away. And then the next one. There is the dog. Let's see. What do you think of this, Mr. Pig? Mr. Pig is saying that this could be the tail of the dog. Okay, let's take this. And we have the last one. So let's rotate and see. Mr. Pig, what do you think of this? This is the legs of the dog. Thank you, Mr. Pig. Thank you. Okay, we found all the puzzle pieces that we need. So, the first thing that we're gonna do, gonna be the face of the dog, right, Mr. Pig? Yes. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna place it like that around the puzzle board, right? So then we're gonna start with the face. So we're gonna take this face and place it here. And then we're gonna take the eyes and together. Great, well done. And then we're gonna take the mouth of the dog like this. Amazing. And then the ears of the dog, right, Mr. Pig? Yes. Okay, great. So let's combine them. And then we have the dog house. Okay, so here is the dog house, like this. And there is the roof of the dog house, like that. And there is another here, and the house, a dog house. Great. Thank you. Mr. Pig is helping us, so he's gonna help us with the legs. So he's saying that we should take this and this puzzle piece, right? So this is the legs, and then we should turn around and try to place it like that. Okay, so at the bottom, and yes, okay. And then we have a tail of the dog, so let's maybe place it like this, or maybe here, right. There is another puzzle piece, the tail of the dog, right? Okay, so what we need is the body of the dog. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna rotate and place it in the middle. Great. And there is the flowers, remember the flowers. Okay, and here is the ear of the dog, right here. Great. And we left with two puzzle pieces, right? That we need to still to find out which one should we use. So maybe let's turn around and see. So this could be the back of the dog, right? So let's place it. Great, amazing. So the last one would be the paw of the dog, the small part. It could be this one, you see, here is the paw of the dog, and great. Well done, we've completed the dog puzzle. Amazing, thank you, Mr. Pig. And then we're gonna take our another puzzle with the rooster. So what we need to find here is the rooster. So Mr. Pig gonna help us. So here is the rooster, the head of the rooster, right? The face. So Mr. Pig is rotating them, and he gonna help us to turn around and see if there is the rooster, right? So let's do it. This could be the rooster, right, Mr. Pig? Yes, okay. So let's move it like this. Thank you, Mr. Pig. Mr. Pig is really smart, right? So he's gonna help us to solve this puzzle. Let's try to find the rooster. So we have these two puzzle pieces. So then we're gonna rotate another one. Oh, Mr. Pig is saying this is another one that we should take. Great, amazing. And then let's go with another one. So this is the tail of the rooster. Here. Okay, and then another one. Let's see. It could be this one. Yes, let's take this, and great. And another one. Mr. Pig is helping us. He's saying it could be this. Okay, let's do it and take. And yes, well done. And Mr. Pig is helping us hugely with this. He's saying that this could be the body of the wing of the rooster. Alright, so let's do it. And great, so we only need two puzzle pieces. So, Mr. Pig, what are you saying? This one, or let's rotate and see. Mr. Pig is saying that this one could be. Okay, let's take this. And yes, indeed, this is the right puzzle. As always, Mr. Pig is always right. Okay, and the last one. Let's see. And yes, here is the rooster. Okay, so let's move it like that. And great, we found all the puzzle pieces of the rooster. Amazing, we've completed all the puzzles. So we've completed the rooster puzzle piece, the dog puzzle piece, right? And the board with the farm animals. So we learned about every animal on the board. Great, so this is the cow, bunny, rooster, goat, sheep, goose, lamb, duck, bull, pig, donkey, and turkey. And here we have rooster and dog. Great. Thank you, Mr. Pig, for helping us to complete all of these puzzle pieces. See you in the next video.
Thank you, kids. Bye. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe.